Hey, okay, today I'm going to try and pick this pretty little Assa. It's an SCD, in fact. It's not so pretty. It's been pretty bashed up. As you can see, it's I think it's been sort of crowbarred out of a door. Looking pretty tired. Yeah, we've got a couple of screws snapped off in the back as well. The back plate's missing off. Don't think anything's up, nothing other than that has been done. Nothing tampered with the inside, so it's just an original SCD. Hopefully I can get it open, and then I'm going to send it off to side pin pickers. Okay. No. Gee, come on. Oh, let's just do that one. Okay. I think we are in shot, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to use the number 1 hook. I'm going to start in the back, so just slip my way through. It's a 6-pinner. And okay, I'm at the back, right. Okay, a little bit on 5. Slight click on 3. Medium tension on here at the moment. Little click on 1. Okay, that was 5 again. Good on 4. 2. 3. Yeah, I do not have a key. I don't know if I mentioned that. Okay, that was the tension wrench. And there we go, wow. Open on 4. Oh, a lot going on inside there then. Sweet. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so we don't have the channel at the back poking out, so I think that should be alright. Follow her through. So there we are, all 6 pins are present. Let's go and dump these out. Ah, we have a wafer. I'm not sure which one that came out of. I think it was 1. Wasn't expecting that. We have 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 standard and 6 standard. Let's just check up in here. Okay, we do have a very slight threading, I would say that is. Although it's very, very, very light. I think you can probably pick it up, but yeah, not a lot. Okay, so we have a wafer in 1, and maybe some more then up top. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have a nice Assa pen in 1. Yes, we do have a wafer in 2. That accounts for something. Okay, Assa pen in 3. Assa pen in 4. Surprise, surprise. And 5. And final pin. Sorry, that was really wedged in there then. I'm not going to dump the springs out, it's a stock lock, so it's as is. Right, so there was one, I pushed this this one wafer in pin number 2, chamber number 2, up into the Bible, but aside from that, all good. So then we have down the bottom, you can see they're just all standard. Come on, focus. And then up the top. And if I show you that as a little bit, just pull out a little bit, you see the balanced pin stacks too. So you've got the long key pins, you get the short drivers, and the short key pins like in number 4, you get a really long driver up top, so on and so forth. Anyway, pin pickers, this is on the way to you shortly. When I get a chance to get to a post office, I'll get this off to you, mate. Thank you ever so much everyone else for watching, and I'll catch you all very soon. Nice one, take it easy, be good.